everyone. To sum up with the grade 7 English book and teacher's guide, year 2019, I'm using this format and literally guide me on my teaching process. The book comprises with 4 modules. Module 1, it's appreciating myself. Module 2, building relationship. Module 3, blending worlds in diverse society. And Module 4, connecting to the world. Each module has certain subtopics. In Module 1, definitely the book started with the pretest and ended up with the post-test, with corresponding TOS, or what we call the table of specifications. Lesson 1, it talks about searching for my beginnings. Lesson 2, it focuses on recalling my ancestors' beliefs. Lesson 3, it concentrates in connecting to my past. Lesson 4, it discusses in learning from my beginnings. Then Lesson 5, it gives impact in valuing my elders' wisdom. And definitely, Lesson 6, it stretches in on celebrating my heroes' beliefs. In Module 2, there are also 6 subtopics. Again, it's instilled with pre-test and a post-test with corresponding table of specifications. Lesson 1, views on valuing one's family. Then Lesson 2, it signifies through recognizing beauty in others. Lesson 3, it suggests in befriending others. And Lesson 4, it advocates through adapting to peers. And then Lesson 5, it adheres in loving others. Then Lesson 6, it envisions in sharing positive and healthy relationship. Module 3, there are still 6 subtopics. Lesson 1, reminisces in acknowledging diversity. Lesson 2, recommends for setting aside differences. Lesson 3, parleys on embracing diversity. Lesson 4, responds to the needs of others. Lesson 5, aims to socially responsible. Then Lesson 6, asserts one's identity in diverse society. In Module 4, which is connecting to the world, comprises with 4 subtopics. Lesson 1, it pursues in relating past to the present. Lesson 2, embraces keep abreast with changes. Lesson 3, upholds understanding of broadening horizons. Then Lesson 4, celebrates cultural ties. And take note also that this particular textbook includes the format of our daily lesson log, such as the program standard, the grade level standard, then the description of each module, the theme with period covered, performance standard with matrix of essential were evidently seen on this textbook. This teacher's guide is so essential for us teachers. Again, good day everyone, and God bless us all.